Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for your PlayStation account on your PS5. So what we want to do is go to the screen where we're logging in. So I'm going to log out of my PlayStation 5 right now and then press the PlayStation button. And it's going to give you an option in the bottom right side of the screen, basically to reset your password. So let's go to where it says get started, agree right here and confirm. And once we sign in, if you look now, bottom right side of the screen, can't sign in, press triangle. And it's going to bring you to the section where you can enter in your sign-in ID, and then it will send you a reset link to that email. So you can just type in wherever you want, and then go to next, and then check your email. And that's going to allow you to reset your email. Now, if you can't find the email address on your account, one thing that you can do is go up to the top where it says settings right here, and then go on down to where it says users and accounts, and go to accounts and go to PlayStation email, and it will auto-populate your email address right here. So you can find it and then reset your password. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.